Yeah, I'm driving like an asshole. Oop.
Sorry.
No, that was me. Oh, and we got some weeds. Yep, it's on.
There you go. Whoa! That's a pretty even damn race.
Yeah,
right
it
there.
is. I didn't even have it pinned all the way either.
Holy cow.
They rip, don't they?
Come on there, Forrester. Let's do this. Look at that fancy
Self-righting feature right there, guys. Self-righting feature. Hopefully the GoPro picked it up. Got it.
Oh, there goes good.
Yeah, turn inside me like that?
Yep.
All right.
Uh-oh.
You need a push?
What's that?
Need a push?
No. It gives me half throttle once it hits LVC. No, I flew. I was flying at 9 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, earlier in the day, while I was still like just right
I
about.
thought you said you didn't sleep.
Up until about, well, I got up to pee, and I'm always peeking out the window, you know. But then again, you're usually sleeping, so you don't know that.
Well, yeah, I'm out.
Yep.
Lately, I'm just out. I don't realize anything lately.
Is the light flashing?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the steering. This is the throttle.
Just like the thing?
Yep. And try not to give it 100%. Give it probably
What I
2/3.
was doing with the other thing?
Perfect. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Perfect turn, babe.
You're fine. You know, it's funny, I noticed about the same. If you start a turn and the throttle goes down, you're okay.
I should go that way. Trying to remember which way to steer is my problem.
You're doing fine. That looks so cool.
I'm sorry, babe.
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's all good.
Am I done?
Oh, you're fine.
Please tell me you got
I
that.
remember I rode it up the tug. Okay, let's give it throttle, see if it's good. Yep, we're good.
I can't believe I did that.
Well, it's durable.
Definitely durable. Okay.
Yeah, you got it. You made an awesome clip too. I'm sure it will turn out great.
There we go. I can't believe it.
So cool.